very, very happy Saturday to you guys. Thank you for joining for Insight Session 4. As always, here tonight with Nature's Blessings, we are going to start today's Insight Session to know more about your current progress and how we can support you further. So thank you so much for joining. Myself, Jessica Prabhakar, the founder and director of the Purpose Foundation. And we have Lakshmi, who is a pillar and everything today because I will be on the move and she is going to support in between and between. Okay, so our COO is also here. So thank you all for joining. Martians, yeah. We'll
Here, ma'am.
Yes, Priyadarshini. This is the
Yes, ma'am.
most interesting. Although I know this project has so much difficulties, but I love this project for some reason. But let's hear it from Priyadarshini. What is your problem and solution, please?
Okay, ma'am. I make my content as simple as possible, ma'am. Our project title is Digital Courtroom. However, implementing now is challenging one, ma'am. We made online courtroom that is easy to use, and also we added cool features, ma'am. Then we implemented AI. That AI can understand how people act and predict what might happen in case. And in also our platform help you to find a lawyer, like lawyer matching, ma'am. Then you can write case report instantly through our platform, ma'am. And also schedule online meeting easily, ma'am. And it also support many language, so that everyone can use it, ma'am. That AI report generated based on psychological pattern of human behavior, ma'am. Then we go with subscription for lawyer to show their profile to attract the client, ma'am. Uh, it is not like a traditional courtroom. Like it is like one to one, ma'am. Directly interact with the lawyer. Our query is that in this technology, people will adopt for this or not is a big challenging one. And then next query is collaborating with government with a startup idea is possible or not.
Okay, it's a very, very interesting. Very, I don't even know what to say. Sort of aspect because it's a very revolutionary thing, but we are very much not into that reality right now as far as courtrooms are concerned. So okay, let me talk from this way. Which year are you guys from now?
Myself second year and my team members are third year, ma'am.
Second year, and others are third year. Okay, which department?
Easy, ma'am.
EC. Okay. So what is your plan after college, Priyadarshini?
Mm,
You want to go for higher studies,
placement only,
job,
ma'am. Placement.
placement? What everybody is getting placed, every college is offering 100% placement, I think. I don't know. In our college, I don't
Hello,
know
ma'am.
they do anything.
I'm
Everyone,
interested in entrepreneurship, ma'am.
sorry, entrepreneur.
Yes, sir.
My
You are
team leader.
from your team leader. See,
Yes, sir.
leader. Okay. Mohan Sundaram, 100% entrepreneurship. No,
Yes,
no
ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
job. No, huh?
No, ma'am. No, 100%. I'm in confident.
உயிர் மண்ணுக்கு உயிர் entrepreneurship.
ஆமா.
You know what? Like these are the things that like I mean we stay up. You know, we sit for long hours and continuously. Like we'll be like fully like sitting and involved. Like, you know, we sit and we do this, and suddenly someone says this, and like our day becomes all energetic. So thank you. Today, Mohana Sundaram gave us the energy because from 7 o'clock we are, I know, from 6 o'clock. Oh my God, 6 o'clock. So it's like you have to keep up the energy. It comes from you. So thank you, Mohana Sundaram, for that. I'm going to put
Okay.
full on entrepreneurship. Okay, that's good that you have that. The passion, I'm telling you, no, you'll figure it out. If you
Yes,
do
ma'am.
it or not, that doesn't matter. But the passion will keep you, you know, to keep doing things. That will happen. If this doesn't work, you will think about that. So that's a very good thing. Yes. So coming to your idea, you are all second year. Okay. Others are placement, Priyadarshini, or how about others?
Ma'am,
Mohan,
others
what?
are in placement, ma'am.
Others are
Yeah.
placement. Okay, cool.
Yes, ma'am.
Cool. Only Mohan Sundaram wants to do entrepreneurship. Okay, very nice. Let's talk about your. Okay, how many hours do you spend on this every day, like your team? How many hours?
I alone can spend 6 hours in a day. I spend 3 hours in a college, and after that I spend 3 hours. Even Sunday also I can spend 6 hours.
I don't know what.
1 year, 1 ago, your entrepreneurship he has taken it completely.
Actually, I have 3 to 4 startup ideas, but I don't know how to implement.
Okay, very good. Why don't we have a separate call? You can call me someday. You have my number, right? Call me sometime,
Yes, ma'am.
because
Okay,
it's
ma'am.
very difficult to. You can call me. We will talk. Okay.
Okay.
Or for all, you're from Chennai means I will meet you also sometime if you're here.
I'm from Coimbatore.
Everybody is from outside means Lakshmi will only come and meet. Coimbatore is near to her only. Anyway, but I'm coming to some college over there, so probably I can. If I'm coming there, I will see you. But point being that you are very passionate and you are spending 6 hours. No, so I want to hear your ideas. Out of the 6, at least one we will try to use, right?
Okay, sure.
So 6 hours. And what about the other guys? Like, do you have regular meetings on WhatsApp calls or G meets with the team members?
Yes, ma'am. We can meet weekly once in Gmeet, ma'am. Like
Weekly once
I
in
assign some works like computer front end work and back end work like that. So after
Okay.
that, after completing, they again contact with me. In college, we
Okay,
also
so-
discuss sometimes. Yep.
Okay. Okay, awesome. So everybody is CC, right?
No, ma'am. I am from AML, artificial.
You are for
intelligence.
AI. Oh, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Only Priyadharshini is from ECE, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Myself and
I'm
another
Kalpata.
sister, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And another is ECE. Others are all AI, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Coimbatore. Okay, let's finish Martians and then I'm going to take a 2 minutes break to see the status of the idli. If it has died, I should give it to the dogs. Otherwise, I'll just go take that. Okay. So, Kiki team, please give me some time. I think Somesha, I remember very well because he asked a good doubt to the
So much.
Somesh. Yeah, he spoke really well to one of the speakers. So, I remember you guys. So, forgive me for 2 minutes, which I take after this Martians team. Okay, so let's talk about your solution and your problem, right? So you are. Thank you, Sayanth. Nandri. We will send you special squiggy chocolate for this understanding. Okay, lawyer matching, courtroom report writing, multi-language. Did I miss any features or only 3?
We also done a case report because it is a big process, ma'am. Like that.
Yes, that's what I said. Report, lawyer matching, and language, multi-language. Only 3 features.
We also schedule a online meeting also, ma'am. Like with judges, not lawyers.
With lawyer.
Not lawyers, ma'am. With judges also.
Judges.
Which judge is coming to online meeting? Can you give me the number of that judge?
Ma'am, we planned like that, ma'am. So we converted the whole system into.
வரமாட்டாங்க. They won't
அதான் டவுட் மேம் நானும் டீம் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தேன்.
Court itself they won't come. How you are expecting them to come to?
அதுதான் மேம் டவுட். அதான் என்ன பண்றதுன்னு தெரியல. அதான்
பட்டைய போட்டு கதமாட்டேன். But okay, see, I think you have something interesting. But
Yes,
the
ma'am.
judges, the courtroom, and the legal thing is one of the cheapest industries. Okay, the lawyer itself nobody pays. That's why they wear that. என்ன சொல்ற ஒரு கிழிஞ்சு போன அந்த போன ஒரு கிழிஞ்சு போன கோட் தான் நிறைய பேர் போட்டு சுத்திட்டு இருக்காங்க. So they don't really have many lawyers. I'm not talking about like very rich lawyers, okay, who do for corporates and all. I'm talking about like family lawyers or like divorce lawyers or those kind of people. They don't earn much, right? Like I mean they earn, but it's very like a little bit of the fees and all of that. Like it's a very big struggle most of the cases. So and it's a lot of emotion and blah blah all of that. Like scheduling with the judges, forget about that completely. Forget. Control Alt delete escape shift everything you press and delete it. போதச்சே மொத்தமா குழி தோண்டி போட்டுறணும். Forget that. Okay?
மேம் அப்போ ஆன்லைன் கோர்ட்ரூம் எப்படி மேம் வருது? அப்போ
அப்படியே மாத்திக்க நம்ம வைக்கிற பேர் தானே அப்படியே மாத்திக்கலாம் ட்விஸ்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். லாயர் மேட்சிங் lawyermatrimony.com. That's all.
lawyer. Okay.
You are matching no lawyers.
Yes, ma'am.
You can get, see, someone wants Yarnura lawyer means you put Yarnura lawyer. Someone wants a corporate lawyer. Like, I don't think there are enough lawyer databases. I don't know. You do that.
I think approximately 6,000 lawyers are in India. I think so.
Is there a database with 6,000 lawyers?
No, ma'am. I not search for that.
You can make that. I feel like I'm shouting too much. Am I shouting too much? Because I'm the only one.
Actually, I'm suffering from cold, so my voice is.
Oh, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
No. I feel like I'm shouting too much. I should reduce. Okay. So you are suffering from fever. I want 2 days leave, sort of thing. You are telling. What you are telling? You are saying something. Okay. Let me finish. So, see, forget the judges thing. No judge will agree, and the judges get paid enough, and they have their own stuff. And it's actually, I don't think, allowed by law for them to do anything offline. So legally, it's not allowed. So that is not going to happen. Forget that. Okay. Next, lawyer matching. So again, if I am say, like many of my friends who are getting married, unfortunately, are getting divorced as well in a much faster rate than they got married. So that is the unfortunate situation of whole India. I would say divorce rates are all-time high. Love marriage, arranged marriage doesn't matter, but divorce rates are very high. So everybody's looking for a divorce lawyer to get their divorces and all sorted, right? So what you can do is probably if you want to really make a platform, and you can make a platform where, this is for the others, like a project I'm telling you. For you, startup, we will decide personally, okay? Don't think this as a startup, because this whole field, I don't want you to do startup, personally. It's a very difficult field, okay? So forget as a startup. I'm only talking about developing some database for the project for the other people so they can get their placement sorted, okay? Startup idea, we'll discuss personally. But now, I'm going to give you reality about your idea. So, the lawyer matching sort of thing is actually something good. If you build a database with affordable lawyers, corporate lawyers, mainly divorce lawyers, all of this, if you put their profiles, if any lawyer can come, log in and create their profile. I don't know if it already exists. Probably check if it exists. If it exists, make it better. Make it with higher lawyers. Make it with very affordable lawyers. Like you can give some discounts and collaborations to make it very cheap for one consultation, just 1 rupee or 50 rupees. Then they can charge, per hour, it's only 100 compared to 1,000 rupees outside, blah, blah, right? Like how you have the Apollo medical app and all, like the Medico and the Practo app, like for doctors, make the same for lawyers.
Okay, ma'am.
Right? If the law, and also plus the advantage is if you make arbiters. Have you heard of arbiters? Arbiters are people who do the panchayat. Basically, they try to convince both the teams to come to a samadhanam. To come to a, what is samadhanam called in English? To come to a smooth understanding. Deal. Come to a deal. Okay, so they are called arbiters because people don't want to spend money for lawyers every hour. So the arbiter comes only when there is a conflict in the agreement, and then they come and sit and discuss and come to some mutual conclusion. That's all. So one time,
junior lawyer.
Junior lawyer, yeah. What, Mohan Sundram, what did you say?
Ma'am, you said like a panchayat, like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Panchayat, my same thing, but the English version of it is called arbiter. That's all.
Okay. On television, you can put it in through the app. That's kind of.
Yeah, but you can onboard all these people. That's what I'm saying. So not everybody should go to the court. That should be your, point. Yeah. Not making court online. Nobody should come to court itself. They should solve the problem before itself. That is because there are already so much of cases, thousands of lakhs of, I don't know how many of cases. So then there is no point in everybody chumma putting case. If someone can come to a smooth conclusion, right? Actually, there's a good word for it. What is that called? Like the diplomat is like for you have seen diplomat is like for countries. They have no diplomatic leaders, they call it. So for country wise, they do the diplomatic relations. They, if there is a problem between countries, they do. Like that, there are these arbiters and there is another word. Negotiator sort of thing. Negotiators. These kind of things and all are there. Right? So, keep it very open. If you have a problem with someone, you can make it fun also. Like if you have any not fun, I wouldn't say fun, but any problem which is like between your family relations or your friends, which you feel like third person can solve without paying too much legal fees, then you can use these people also. Like that you can make it. You
Okay,
understand?
ma'am.
So
Actually, the ideas are mainly from that.
what do psychologists do, or what does marriage counseling do? They are simply solving problem between two people, right? You
Yes, ma'am.
understand? So same
Yes,
thing
ma'am.
you do like in a bigger level. Yeah. What were you saying?
Actually, we just created this app for like a consumer problem. So many of them not aware of that, like the consumer issues.
Again, you will not make money, Monasundram. This is very
Yes, ma'am. I
consumer don't know
recently.
the issue because consumer don't they don't see. For example, we don't see the bad things about the products. Like there are so much sugar we consume in every single product. We don't even know because we are getting fooled by marketing. So who is going to fight? Like people, some of them know there is there is no other option, but still they bite for their kids. Some of them are strict. Like you cannot sit and fight for the consumer and all and expect to make money out of it as a startup. Okay,
Okay,
so
ma'am.
again, forget that, throw it somewhere else. If you want to make
Okay.
money, or if you want to really build something which is useful, then report writing is good. If you can make the report writing, if you have a even this is a good software for every court case, every form. If you have an automated easy filling thing, like you can take the forms of every case, a divorce case, family land case, which are the major issues. Take
Yes,
5
ma'am.
cases which are the highest number of cases in a court, highest number of cases, then make into an automated, just a simple form which people can fill online themselves, or the lawyers can fill online themselves, so they don't have to sit and go through these things.
Okay, ma'am.
But I don't know if it is manually they have to fill and submit and file it. I don't know. Or if they have to say, you have to figure that out, right? I'm giving you options. If you are going to the
Why
lawyer,
can't we implement only for the lawyers, tools for the lawyers only?
exactly, that's what I'm saying. You have to talk to minimum 50 lawyers, the affordable lawyers, like the very lawyers at the least bottom, and then look at the corporate lawyers who deal with so much of legal work, so much of legal papers. Like even one agreement will be like say 100 to 200 pages. Deal with both of them, talk to them, observe how they do. Have you seen any lawyer series and all? Have you
Yes,
seen
ma'am.
it?
We refer one lawyer
No,
through
no,
his
series.
friend.
Series have you seen?
No, ma'am. No, no.
No. Okay,
No.
because I like lawyer series a lot. There's one called Good Wife, there is Suits, all these things, right? Which are oriented with the lawyer's life and all of this. Because more than India, I want you to focus abroad because there you have a scope to sell this tool for the
Yes,
lawyers.
ma'am.
Because they deal everything digitally. Okay? India,
Okay, ma'am.
very tough only. In India, if you make a simple form online for different cases which people can easily fill, that itself is a very big thing if they use it. If they use it. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So I have only these two options. These two, no, three options, I think. One is lawyer matching, making affordable, matching with lawyers. If
Yes,
you have a
ma'am.
case, you can come and type your case here. And we will suggest you a lawyer based on the experience. You can use your
Like a
AI over there.
recommendation system.
Yeah, recommendation system. You can use your AI knowledge over there. Put the recommendation that this lawyer is suitable for this person because he is within the 200 budget. He has little experience. He's from Chennai. So you go reach him. Otherwise, next option, next option. That's all. So this time,
Okay,
if
ma'am.
you don't want lawyer, go for arbiter. In that, you can take 1%. You can take money out of it. Right?
Okay,
So
ma'am.
this is the way that you can make money. This is one option, lawyer matching or matrimony, whatever you call it, right? Second option is the reporting. Look into what is the report or what is the file that they prepare. Is it offline? Is it handwritten? Is it compulsory to be handwritten or you can print it up? I don't know. I'm just saying, right?
I
And
see randomly it's a format like we can
that's
fill the
format.
details. Yes,
You can
yes,
fill the
ma'am.
details. So if you
Yes,
can
ma'am.
fill it online and you can automate most of the thing, like say if there are two persons who are coming for a land case, you have all their Aadhaar, everything, you can scan it and put automatically names, every details, addresses are filled everywhere. Simple
Yes, ma'am.
thing, but it saves a lot of time. You
Yes, ma'am.
understand?
Once the users register our app, it automatically takes data from that profile also. So no need to enter the details again and again.
No, user is your lawyer. Don't get
Yes, ma'am.
confused.
Okay.
Your
Okay, ma'am.
user is the lawyer. The lawyer's client I'm talking about. So if I am the client for the lawyer and I have a land issue, the PAN, Aadhaar, everything is my name. So I am giving it to my lawyer to fill the details. So lawyer will just scan it in your platform. Automatically details will get filled in the form. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, ma'am. Understood, ma'am.
Like that I'm saying. So it's a I am the original client, but the lawyer is your client for your startup, your project. Lawyer is the client. Lawyer is the one who will pay to use your
Like
service.
customer and
I will
Okay.
not
customer.
understand. I hope you got it. Yeah. So the code
Yes, ma'am.
report writing, are you focusing India or are you focusing abroad? So this can be something viable for your startup, right? This can be viable
Okay.
for your startup. If you make a tool for probably abroad is better because they have really a good requirement who you can actually sell off the whole software as well abroad. So if you are really serious about this, sit and think about sit and study about the report writing, talk to lawyers, around 50 people minimum. If it's India, abroad means I would say even more, again more than 50, because you have to come up with a very good tool for it, and also look at the existing tools and then come up with the list of the pricing and the subscription, the tools, their features. Then only you should start developing the product itself. So this
Sure,
is
ma'am.
the suggestion for you guys. Okay.
Ma'am, we have also one thing, like a voice bot. So if you just enter what is your problem, it gives solution like that. For this problem, this solution it will give from the Indian law book, like rack-based architecture.
Who is going to put the problem? So if I have a land problem, I'll come and talk to your bot.
Yes, ma'am. It will show these are the sections available for your cases like that. You can get a general knowledge.
As a feature later, but I don't think now. You see, people trust like doctors and lawyers, right? Like no matter if I go Google something, I will still go to go to doctor and check and take the test report. Correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Same
ma'am.
way they will go to lawyer to get opinion, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
you can't like say like, hey, I'm a chatbot, you talk to me. I don't know. If it's like a millennial or a Gen Z sort of a, like a generation where they want to go type to the chatbot, like that equals to chat GPT again. If I go type in chat GPT, what are the sections for divorce? What are the sections for land issue? Means I'm going to get it, then that is enough for the initial information. I'm not saying your point is not
Yes, ma'am.
useful, but now it's not needed. You should make something which makes you money. I want
Okay.
something for you to make you money, but the voice bot will not make you money. It's a feature which you can add later if you want. That's all.
Okay, ma'am. Sure.
Only focus on the report, focus on the lawyer matching. Survey your opponents. Survey your competitors, not opponents. Survey your competitors, India or abroad. Make a list of it. Then either build the report, even report, focus only on the highest number of cases. If it's divorce cases or if it's land issue cases, only for that you make the report first. Because you can't build for everything, right? Make
Yes,
the
ma'am.
tool only for that. Only these two things you should focus. Hereafter, you are not online courtroom, you are lawyer matchmaking, or you are courtroom tool, or something like that. Like
I'm like,
lawyer.
what is my... Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Sure.
Okay, awesome. Thank you, guys. Okay, so Kiki team, please tell us your problem and solution.
So our problem statement is real-time monitoring of public transport system. So for trains, we have APIs to be integrated, which can be done pretty easily. And for buses, we first thought about crowdsourcing. So like we'll be having an app, right, for the passengers who get on. So like from there, we are taking the locations and like integrating and plotting. This was the early concept.
Sorry, what?
Ma'am, like each passenger will be having an app, right, ma'am?
Each passenger will have an app.
So from that location, we are like extracting from it.
Each passenger will have
Our
the
app,
mobile.
mobile app.
Your app.
Hmm.
Okay.
So
Okay.
from that we are extracting and like we are using it to get
Okay.
the
So you are a. Okay. So
get the
transport
location.
monitoring for public transport alone.
Yes, ma'am.
Only the buses.
Yes, ma'am. Public transport.
Is it like buses for the like interstate, inter-district thing, or is it like
MTCs, ma'am.
city buses?
Normal like this T Nagar to Anna Square, something like that. Not the
Okay.
interstate buses.
Sorry, not sleeper. Okay. 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 So you guys are which year?
We are third year, ma'am.
You're third years. Third year which department?
CSC.
CS, everybody?
Yes, ma'am. All four of us are in CS.
All four of them CS. Third year CS. Okay, I know you are SRM. I remember your college. I don't know for weirdly. I remember it. Okay, so what is your plan after college?
Ma'am,
Each one of you can tell.
we are sitting for placements. Pretty
You are
much.
looking for placements. Okay, what about Somesh?
Yeah, ma'am. Everyone placements.
Okay, all of them placement. So what is the point of developing this? You want to sell it? You want to just make it as a project for experience? What is your idea?
No, ma'am. We are planning it to like sell it or like make some revenue model out of it only.
Okay, you want to build it to some extent to make some money out of it and give it to someone, or continue to collaborate and make some money, something like that.
Depends on how successful it is. Like,
what is the current stage of your project?
The UI UX part is done, and actually what we are focusing on is like we started with this, ma'am, like crowdsourcing. Then we thought like in the mari NFC மாதிரி யூஸ் பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னு like each bus standsலயுமே
Okay.
ஒரு
Token.
near yeah, something like that. So அது போட்டோம்னா when a bus crosses it அது வந்து it will get registered.
So crowd வந்து input கொடுத்து உங்களுக்கு data கொடுக்கிறது, it will be little difficult only. So if you have like a stop, like a sensor each time like this bus goes, that is pretty like efficient in that sense, because each bus can have a code, and whenever each bus crosses with the same that TN number or something, then if you will get one sort of notification, means that will be good. So that would be a good idea. Okay, no. So you don't want to crowdsource data, you want to do like an
No,
NFC.
we are also like crowdsourcing அதுக்கு மேல we are adding for better accuracy.
Added both data collection. Okay, so the ideal the ideal value out of this whole thing is basically that people can know if the bus is coming or not, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so someone who is starting the bus from the depot, who's going to update that?
Ma'am, அது வந்து like currently there's this app called Cello, right, ma'am, which monitors public transport and all. So அவங்க என்ன பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா when the bus starts from the depot, it will be sent to the central server of bus. So like இந்த bus எடுத்துட்டாங்க இப்ப அந்த மாதிரி.
Okay.
So based on that, they will upload it in the map and like do this Google API estimation and all. Like so in 5 minutes it will go to this stop. அப்புறம் அங்க இருந்து ஒரு 10 minutes.
Okay, so they estimate it.
Yeah, it's not real time.
You are just making a fine-tuned version of that app.
Yeah, because like on the estimations on it's not like accurate, so we are going one step further to like on the real time precise எடுக்கிற மாதிரி.
Okay, what is that spell? Can you spell it out, the app name?
Chalo, ma'am. CHALO.
CHELO.
CHALO.
Oh, chalo, like in Hindi chalo.
Yeah.
It's an all India app, like
it's an all India app.
Yes, ma'am.
I have no idea about it. Sorry, I didn't know. Okay, all India app for bus starting points, and then they predict the bus, but it's not accurate, correct?
Yes, ma'am. And it's pretty widely used, so like it's our main competitor in this.
Main competitor. Okay, let's do this. See, anyway, you don't have idea about the startup, right? Like you just want to make some money. So why do they have to be your competitor? Why don't you make the part which makes the app accurate for them and sell it to them? What do you think about that?
But I mean that's also fine, but we want our own like name, right? At some point.
You want to sell it means you can't think about your name. That is gone. If you want to sell somebody, you can get money, but you will not get name. Like you can say the students made this, maybe we can do some press or media if they agree to it. Whoever you are selling to, if they agree that you can showcase that students have built it and given to us, means then fine. But you can put it as your project. All of that you can do. If you take money, then it's it's their thing. Like they are paid for it, right?
Okay.
Yeah. So then it's like if you buy a biscuit, you have paid for it, so it's yours. Like you can't okay, biscuit is not a good example. Wait, I'll figure out some other example. Ignore biscuit example. But point is like if you're selling it, then they would probably own that. So you can't take your own name. If you want to do your startup only, you should do. That is one thing. Clarify that. But if you want to make money, you can sell it to them. That is the best thing. If you to anybody who's listening here, right? Like if you at any point want to make some immediate money, first go to your competitor, sell it and come. That's all. That's the easiest thing that you can do. Right? That's the logical easiest thing. If somebody wants to close their business, they just sell it to competitor. They will acquire. What does acquiring mean? What does acquisition mean? Have you heard mergers and acquisitions and all? People acquire the whole company, whole IT company. They will buy it, sort of thing. So this is the concept. Why I'm giving you this concept is if you are ready to do that, then all you have to do is figure out that one part. But if you want to build it again, ma'am, I don't want to go to Cello or sell it. We want to build our own app, and to a certain extent, and then we want to sell it, means it's a different thing. So you have to choose what you want to do. You want to do the smart thing and sell one part and only make one thing and concentrate on that, or do you want to make the whole app from scratch and prove its functionality, get some traction, and then sell it to someone? Probably the government is the first sort of target market here, because it's like every public bus only, you are dealing with. So you need you need cooperation from the government for a lot of things.
Yes.
So you have to probably sell it to them. Whichever state is very, very helpful, go to that state and sell it to that state, who is very cooperative and very forward thinking. You should go to that state and sell it to that state first. Then other states will follow it. But first you to take only one state, because you are taking crowdsourcing data and you want to do NFC, means the government should implement this and you need full support of government. This is completely government based thing.
Yes.
But
and
if
also
you want,
one doubt we have, like, because when one of the sessions that we attended, when I told like each bus stands can have their own something like similar to a Wi-Fi or station or modem, they were like in the bus stands which public will tamper with it or something.
Public will
tamper with it, like
definitely you should put it in a lockbox or something.
Yes.
Yeah, definitely they can go, obviously.
So what we thought was like if anyways like each bus driver will have a smartphone, right? So அதுல இருந்து GPS location எடுக்கிற மாதிரி like ஒரு டிரைவர்ஸ்க்குன்னு ஒரு ஆப், and like based on that location அந்த மாதிரி பண்ற மாதிரி.
See, honestly speaking, driving in India is like the biggest challenge, and the lorry drivers are the worst people in the whole ecosystem. Auto drivers are the worst, actually. Sorry, next is the lorry bus drivers or the lorry drivers and all, and by default they have to be little rude like that. Then only they can keep up with the pace. They have so many shifts they have to do. They have to take care of so many people. It's not like they are bad people. It's like they have to do that. Then only they can't sit and wait for everyone to go and then go. So from their mindset, will you think like they will go to the app and they will log in and they will put? I don't think it's possible, personally. Right? From the driver's point of view, and first of all, someone who's a driver in a bus, like the heat of it, the tiredness, like the way they have to put the gear, everything itself is a very hectic job. Very hectic job. Okay, with no other way they're coming to this one and they're getting some regular pay from the government. So this is how they are, right?
Yes.
From them, even from the, forget the driver, I'm talking about conductor itself will not do this work.
Okay.
Because that's all they are. Like even the tickets, who's doing it properly, or who's sort of like, that's because they have to pay the ticket, then only they can get. That's why they will give the ticket also. Otherwise, that also they will not do properly. They won't give the change properly. They won't, so many things.
Yes, ma'am.
So they are not the mindset of people who actually go to the app and log in and all, unless it's a government order, then probably they, right?
So that's not.
That's why you have to
feasible.
involve the government. Yeah.
So is this feasible, ma'am? Like involving government and all?
But this is a good question, which I have. I have to give a diplomatic answer here. See, some governments are cooperative for sure. Like, for example, if you take Gujarat, obviously Prime Minister is there, so at least to show something, they might help you. I'm just saying, example. And some states want to show off that they're a best state for the best people. Like some of the politicians, they want to do that. So for the sake of that, they may do this as a small project for some time to get some attention, and then it will just stop. They will just change it in the next when the next election come and the shift changes or something, like people change. So that's all it is. It all depends on politics, unfortunately, right? Innovation does not have the easiest way. Like, it depends on politics. You have to play the game, all of that. So, but I would say now Tamil Nadu's ecosystem is okay, that they have Startup Tamil Nadu and all, and I work with them as well. So we can push it if you make a very good product, real time, which works. We can try to push to Tamil Nadu government, or I think now Telangana is also very good. Kerala has Startup Mission and all. They are also good. Gujarat is also good. So the Bangalore, of course, but what is the point in Bangalore? Everybody dies of traffic over there. So useless. No point over there. Forget Bangalore. So this is what I would, even Andhra, I think, yeah. So that's also good. So these are some of the states, I think, personally, from my experience, they are cooperative. Personally, I'm telling, they're cooperative. But again, it will take literally at least a year to even get some attention to an extent. Yeah, to even get like a sample testing done, because there's a lot of approvals. If you think corporate approvals are more, then government approvals are worst, right? Worst. Because they have the account for money and all of that, and if they give you even 1 rupee, they have to account for that and all. So how will they do it as a trial? So what you can do is, with some company who's manufacturing buses, right? You can do a trial and show an example that this is how people can benefit from it. Probably. I would say maybe intercity. I don't know if intercity buses have that. Intercity buses, interstate or those kind of buses will have somebody. No, that person will update because it's a private sector, right? For them, that's why I asked you if it's a sleeper bus or if it's something else. So I don't know if they already have apps, but most of the time, some people sleep and forget their stops. Not necessarily. If it's Coimbatore, they'll get down in Coimbatore. Not like, say, for example, in Chennai, there is Coimbatore, there is Alandur. There are so many places where they have to get down, right? And there is someone who can wake up, who wakes them up, I think. Usually the person wakes them up. But if you have an alert in your phone, no matter if you switch off the alarm, also it will wake you up. That is also nice. I'm just saying. Okay.
Yeah.
It can go to your loved ones or like whoever you want to update, or I don't know, right? In case of any emergency or any accident, it can give trigger of the bus accident. Something like that. Like if you make valuable, then private sector, it's easy. That's what I'm saying. Public, crowd-funded data, NFC, government, all of this makes your whole project very slow. I'm not saying it won't work. This is useless. I'm not telling you that at all. Even for you to try, it will take years because people are like that. It's not your fault, honestly.
Okay.
World works like that. Because I don't want you to learn it the hard way. That's why I'm telling you everything now, right? Because I've also worked with when we work with governments and all, it's like that. You can't do anything. You can't change. So we have to change ourselves, right? And if you want to be smart, that's what you should do, right? So think about just making something which the Cello app does not have, and sell it to them. Simple, easy, straightforward, focused, have a chance of making money. This is your realistic thing. Otherwise, drop the whole government stuff and focus on private buses and making something for the private, so that they can charge that to their consumers. That's all.
Okay.
If they want live tracking, you know, they can charge it to their consumers. That's all. Like 1 rupee for this tracking or something like that. You know, you can sell that to Redbus also, probably. I don't know if Redbus already has that, except the seat booking. But
No.
you can give it as a feature that you can track your bus as well. Whatever.
Yeah, I was also thinking about introducing them to school buses and college buses, because I always keep on missing my buses daily.
That makes sense. Yes, I think that's lovely. Yeah. So that the college can use, right? Like the college can give to parents, and parents can probably pay for it as well, because college buses and school buses, people are always concerned. So that's a very good idea. That has potential to actually make some money.
Yeah, so like that's like a
that,
backup plan, I
that would
think.
be useful. I think there are some things like that. Just check it out, right? And it's very easy to get the sensor done on the school bus, because everything is again private school and the private college, so it has a higher chance. I don't know if it will make money immediately, because you have to sell it to a lot of colleges, right? So
Yeah, right.
but at least you would have built something useful.
And
Right.
one more thing is like the main problem statement was over like public transport system. So இப்போ இப்படி switch பண்றது, will that be okay?
That and all is okay. See, don't get hung up on the problem. Your problem should be a real problem, and you should be realistically able to solve that problem. That's the most important thing. This whole journey is not because you gave one problem that day and you should solve the same thing. Okay, this whole journey of you traveling with us is for you to get the real world knowledge first and build something that can actually solve a problem which is a real pain in the society, in the environment, or in a social aspect, right? It's not just because you made that problem that time. It can, I tell, we saw, no, in all the sessions, what is the top reason for why startups fail? Because there is no need for that product. There is no market for that product. There is no need. That is why the highest number of failure in startups. So if you are learning it now, that is good. No,
Yeah, correct.
you can switch. So many ambulance tracking systems are there, right? So something like that, you are looking into colleges and schools, means that's good only. That will be nice if there is a message that goes to the parents where their child is coming every day. That's a very good thing, actually. And you can sell it to these premium schools or boarding schools, or I don't know, big schools where they have a lot of money that the people can pay first, then come to the other schools, so you can make some money.
Okay, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
So the option is either you make a particular software which can support the Cello app and all, if you really want to stick to the, you know, public transport solution sort of thing. Selling it to the existing app is the best thing you can do. Make something which can increase their efficiency and sell it to the Cello app itself. That's one option. Otherwise, completely change it to like this, you know, school buses or college buses, and come up with the price point. Again, it should not be like, again, monthly 200 rupees and all, nobody will pay. Again, I'm telling you, you should be careful of that. Excuse me. So you should make it very affordable. Per student, this much means so many 100 students go. Even private vans are there. No, that also you can give, because people kidnap and all, right, in private vans and those kind of things, which come from schools. Autos, private autos, vans and all, which is from school. I'm telling, I'm not telling go put sensor in auto, but I'm just saying vans or these kind of things from schools. The van drivers, they misbehave. A lot of cases like this have happened. I have seen it personally when I was in school as well. So those kind of things are going to be useful, and you have built a useful product which you can also sell. So that's giving you good satisfaction, and it'll look good on your resume also for placements. That's all. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Fine. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So you decide this and let us know. Then we will give you the support.
Yes,
Okay?
ma'am. So like till when can we like say this thing about you?
Sooner the better, again, because we have this support going on only till November.
Oh, okay.
then we will start the next batch, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So this month itself, we want to close everybody's requirement. This month end itself, that's why we are doing the insight session now. We had 1 month of training, then this month is insights and filtering your fine tuning your ideas. Then next 2 months you fully work on that idea. That's what we planned,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
For us,
Yeah.
we have planned it. Okay, you can take it slow as well. Once you know the direction, you can do it yourself. No,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
don't need us. You can do it yourself. The direction is the most important thing, right?
Yes.
And of
Fine.
course, if you later come and ask us also, whatever we can do to help, we help. So we are not going to say go away. Don't worry about that.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Awesome. Can I
Thank
go to
you.
the next? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So you decide and let me know. Okay. Let us know.
Okay, ma'am.
Sure.
Thank you.
Chalo app. I'm going to put Chalo app or school bus transport. So you, which one you choose, we will do that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Awesome. Can we start?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, Molly. So give us your problem and solution in one line, please.
Okay. Ma'am, my basically our project is on agriculture based project. Like in agriculture nowadays, a very small land. Every farmer has a very small land holding. So due to this small land, they can use available machinery like big tractors and all these things. And other will like there are shortage of labor also. So they are not available machinery. So our idea is like to make a smart AI rover. We can perform everything in a smart way. So like for the farmers, they are very easily doing their work and all these things. And for a new generation, these are very so they are don't far away from farming and all these things. They are also it took a take an interest in this agriculture way and farming way, this kind of thing. And our with the rover, we are using various attachments. Like our weeding attachment is like find a way to difference between weed and crop. And so after this, they targeting only spread the medicine on weed also, not harm to crop. So this is a obviously benefit to our environment also. This kind of idea, ma'am.
Okay. So I think the network is a little bit issue, but I heard most of what you said. Try to keep your phone or whatever device like closer when you talk. Okay, it'll help me. Okay. So as far as I understood, the machinery availability for farmers and no labors and all, there are a lot of issues. So you want to help the farmers do smart way, and you want to give them suggestions for how to do the farming. Is it correct?
Yeah, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so do you want to make like a smart device machine or an app? What do you want to make?
Machine, ma'am.
You want to make a machine. Okay. What is this machine going to do and for which crop is this?
Which crop like is most of like in Gujarat our is like no, I don't know the English name also, ma'am. Like gehu or bajri and all like mint
Bajra.
type.
Okay.
Okay, mint type and all these things. And in a greenhouse also like fruits, apple, mango for spraying purpose and weeding purpose. It's just this kind of thing, ma'am.
Okay, so what is your machine going to do for this?
Like
What is the
ma'am,
features
this
of your
robot.
machine?
Sorry, ma'am.
Features of your machine. What all does your machine do? Features.
Okay, ma'am. It's a multi-purpose feature. Like the first method is the plowing to plow the soil and all these things. Then seeding, and then weed also, and then after that, then crop is growing, then spraying. Like we have a multi-purpose attachment with this rover and planting also this kind of thing. And these rovers are approximately work remote control. So these are working 4 hours. As we
For 24 hours. What is that?
no 4 hours like in one charge. In one charge, working on 4 hours, 4 to 6 hours.
4 to. So all of this is one machine or they are separate machines?
No, all of these are in one machine, like in one road with various attachments. Like if any farmers like want to buy only weeding or spraying attachment, so they can buy only two attachments, not every attachment they are buying.
Okay. So Mauli, what about like which year are you now?
Third year,
Third year. What about your team members?
they are in second year.
Second year. Which third year? What, computer science?
No, ma'am, electronics engineering.
Electronics or triple E or ECE?
ECE, electronics and communication.
Okay. So how many hours do you spend on this project every day?
Like 2 hours, not every day, but in a week, like 5 to 6 hours. 5 hours. Most
5
of it.
hours. Okay. So what is your plan now after third year? Like you want to take this as your final year project?
Yes, ma'am. My plan is like that kind of my final year. Fourth is my final year project.
And after that, do you want to go for a job or you want to do like a startup? What is your idea?
Startup.
Startup. Okay. What about your family? What does your father, mother do?
My mother is a teacher and my father are doing a private job.
Father is doing
Private job.
private job. Mom,
Teacher.
teacher. Brothers and sisters,
They are studying school, sixth
studying
standard.
school. Okay. Okay. So you are very, very sure you want to do startup. You are 100% like confident. You're sure. No changes.
No, currently no changes.
Currently, no changes. Okay. Okay. So let's put it. If you just want to do startup, or you are very sure you want to do startup only in this rover technology.
Not only in this rover technology, I have found like so many ideas. Like but my final idea is currently is this rover, but I just find
You have other
another idea
ideas.
also.
You have other ideas. Okay. So
Not right now.
yeah. Okay. So since see you are already doing internship now, right? With Venkatesh sir also.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, so what I want to do here is see, as far as this project is concerned, it's a very, very high end project where there is a lot that you are focusing on. If you really want to do something in agri tech, making money out of it is little difficult initially. Also, it will take some time and you need some investment as well, right? But if you are building something for one problem, like just for planting one device or just for spraying one device, which is very affordable, then it is very good. Instead of the full automated system for plowing, seeding, because everything, the methods are different. Based on the land, it's different. Lot of aspects are there in designing the machine and machine costs and how the farmer is going to buy the machine. Even if you rent the machine, there are so many challenges. So, but if you make a small machine just for one problem, for one crop, that itself will help a lot of people and you can actually sell it and make money little bit easier compared to the whole machine, right? So
Right,
if
ma'am.
you are really focused on making the things smarter for the farmer only and you are very focused on the agriculture space, then pick one of the highest crops and one of the spraying problem or one of the planting problem. Just one problem you pick up and make a machine for that, which is just making it automatic. Like if they are cutting the harvesting is very difficult, then just make a machine to harvest it easily, which is very easy to use. Instead of very fancy big machine, make it very simple in designing. So that is what will really make you get you the money also and get you revenue also. The next thing what I would suggest for you is other ideas. You make one list and send it to me, all your ideas what you have or what is your interest, passion and everything personally.
Uh,
So because since you're working with this person, already he is also a farmer, but not like the family. Yeah, they are into farming only. They have made farming machines also. So if you are really passionate about this, take his suggestions. Else, if you have other things, then you tell me those ideas. We will look into that for your startup. We will figure that out as well.
Okay, ma'am.
But as far as this project is concerned, you can't do it for all the methods. Just pick only one spraying or planting, just one for one crop. For that, we will design product. Then at least it has a chance. Otherwise, it's too much of money that you need, too much of investment, and very difficult to sell also. That is the point that we will give you. So you work on your internship. You send me a list of the products. Sorry, your interests and passion and your ideas. We will discuss that personally, and then we will finalize one thing for your startup, and we'll work on that. Okay. Next, I think Neha, if you're there, we can take over.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So Neha, please tell us with what is the problem that you are solving in one line, please.
Yes, ma'am. So I'll just tell what my startup is about. So it is a tech-driven fashion startup, basically, where we use AI to create custom trend-driven clothing, which will like fit you perfectly, made sustainably because it's an on-demand to reduce waste. So the basic flow chart would be like we'll first take the user input like measurements and their style preferences, and then second would be like the data processing where the AI would like analyze the user's data including measurements preferences, and it will also analyze the current fashion trends, and accordingly it'll provide you with some clothing designs based on the analysis, and the user can provide any reviews or any feedback on the designs, and the AI will like refine the design, and once the user confirms the design, on demand production will go on. This is basically the outline.
Okay. So you are focusing completely on custom clothing design.
Yeah, ma'am. Custom clothing.
Only design, or are you interested to make it also, or only designing?
Also making it, ma'am. Like we might also sell those design to the other clothing lines. But we'll also manufacture it like an
Okay.
in-house fashion.
Okay. 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 I got it. So it's basically you are using AI as a tool to custom design clothing for people, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I got it. Let me write that down. Custom AI clothing design. Okay. So Neha, you are in which year now?
Second year, ma'am.
Second year. So do you want to take this and continue this for your, for your final year, or you are doing this now, like for experience?
No, ma'am, it'll be for final year also. I've also wrote a research paper regarding this same concept with the professor. So I'm
Okay.
planning
Have
to
you
do.
published it?
Yes, ma'am. We've given to the editor and it's on process right now. We've also, I also got MSME registered this one.
Oh, you have registered the startup also.
Yes, ma'am. We got the ID also.
You got that, very good. Okay. So you are clear after college you want to do a startup. You're clear
Yes,
about
ma'am.
it.
Yes.
Okay, very good. So do you have someone with you in your team now? And what is the company you have registered? Is it a private limited? Is it a proprietorship? What have you done?
It's a proprietorship, ma'am. So there's one more team member.
Okay.
He's not right now, but yeah, he's also there in this team.
Okay. So what have you registered as? Is it proprietorship? Is it LLP? Like what did you register your company as?
It's LLP, ma'am.
LLP. So who have you put as your partner together?
Alfred, ma'am.
Okay, you are team member you have put, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, registered with MSME. Okay. Okay, so Neha, what about your parents? What are they doing?
My mom, she is a coordinator in a school. She's working in a school. My dad is a sales marketer.
Okay, dad is in sales, mom is in school, you said, no?
Yes, ma'am. She's working as a coordinator.
Coordinator, okay. Very good. You have brothers?
Yes, ma'am. I have a sister. She
What
is
is your
currently
sister?
in 6th grade.
Oh, you have smaller sister. Okay, very good. Okay, cool. So I think you are very passionate about this, so there is no doubt about that. So we are just going to straight go into what we are going to do for the business as well. So what is the stage of your particular product, and what is the stage you are in currently? Is it still in concept? Can we still work on it to fine tune it, or have you started developing something?
Mom, we started with the market research, like to see if customers actually want this. So we did some few market research, if they are really looking for custom, or if they are ready to pay a certain amount and all that. And we have those datas.
Okay.
Yes.
How many people have you spoken to? Like, what is the age group you spoke to?
Ma'am, it is between 18 to 35, around that age. We sent like around 100 Google Forms, like 100 plus, because it was
Okay.
necessary for the research. So we needed to send it to a large number of people. We sent
Okay.
it.
How many replied?
Uh, Almost all of them replied, and around like 70 were saying that they're ready to pay for if there's a higher amount, because custom, they'll have their exact preferences accordingly tailor made. So around
Okay.
like 70% said they would. Breast 30 also said that they would, but they would mostly choose for their known brands itself. Like if their known brands provide them with these custom things, it would be much. So first we'll have to create a trust in the market, and then we'll have to go forward.
So Neha, your vision is to develop a brand, or is it like, say, if I develop a software and I can sell it to the big brands, like lease it to the bigger brands, so everyone can just put it in their website and anyone can use it, sort of thing? Are you looking at that, or are you looking at you building your own brand of clothing and all? Like, what is the vision?
Mom, to be honest, my passion would lie in opening an own clothing line with AI integrated. That would be my passion, but I don't know, maybe starting I should like sell the software or something. I'm not sure.
Okay, because see, the brand building is good. Okay, see, there are so many people now in YouTube also. They are boutique owners with their very unique designs. They
Yeah.
do well in YouTube, and they take orders. They have their own branding. All of we see a lot of small brands coming up and all. So it's not like you should not have, or it's very difficult to have your brand or something. But you
Yes.
have to really work twice as hard for building a brand, and it takes time
Yes.
for the trust of the brand and your logo and your whole social media, the presence and the feel that your brand is giving. So many things are so important, right? For example, if you look at Max, and when you look at say what is a very top clothing brand, I'm not getting anything in mind, but when you look at Max, you will feel not very rich or premium. Have you know Max clothing and all, right?
Yes, mom. Yes, mom.
Yeah, so you don't feel very rich premium, like I'm going to be very fancy. It's a economic and very sort of that clothing feel. You'll get that when you see that brand, right? But when you look at some other brand, maybe I don't know, Pantaloons or something, right? The feel is little more okay. It's a pricey brand. It's something which is little higher in cost, and the look and the feel of it is different. So the feel that you give as a brand itself has so much. The
Yes, mom.
story that you give, the logo, the feel, what you're trying to give the customer, what is your background, what you want to give, so much should go into the brand building when you
Yes.
start itself, right? This is what brand is about. But when you talk about you want to support the clothing industry, you want to support people getting customized outfits, or they are getting I don't know, specific designs for them based on their body type, or based on, so for example, if I'm there, I'm taking a photo, full body photo, and I'm putting it in your I'm coming to your website, I'm putting full body photo, and the size and measurements, and my face and how my body structure is, it gives me suggestions of the clothing that I should wear. This will be suitable, or this will be suitable. Even that kind of apps exist, I think, where it gives you suggestions about the what dress you should wear, what kind of dress suits your body type and all.
Yes, ma'am.
So that is one level of customization which anybody can come and use your platform and do it. So that will be one part where they can, whatever is the existing clothing, they can see what is suitable to their body type. That is one tool. The other tool, wait, someone is having the Lakshmi. You can mute your, yeah, no problem. So some other another option is like you said, you are coming up with your own clothing, means you will give them a design, your own unique design. You will have designers or you will have software with your algorithm, your design, which if I come there, it will give me some collections, your collections. It will give me your collections, like this is best suited for your body. Like how Lenskart is doing, if I wear the lens and see, they show you that image, how it will look, right? Same
Right.
way, you can show how the dress will look on me, your new collections or your new
Yeah, ma'am. That's
designs.
basically the idea. Because if you go right now, like you said, Max or Misho or any other brand, they are showing the same design patterns. So
Yes.
nowadays, especially the current Gen Z generation or even millennials, right now they want something which is very tailored to their specific needs. So
Right.
yeah, I want to focus on that and provide them with those specific needs which they are looking for, and they can stand out with their fashion choice and show this is my fashion style, this is how my personality is, and it'll come through their clothing also.
Okay. So, as I said, this has a lot of layers to it. From analyzing the body type and the face and the structure and the weight, to all of this, the size measurements and everything, to prescribing them, suggestions for the designs or for their body type, whatever you give, and then you having your own designs or you recommending clothing for them, and then going to make it and sort of book it online so they can order it and you can dispatch it. This is like the full circle we have to figure out. What is the customer journey, they call it. This is called customer journey. Like if I am coming into your website, what is the start and what is the finish? You should be very clear what you are offering to them. And there are a lot of startups, as well as some of the people I know itself, like big giants also are working in this similar space.
Yes.
Tomorrow, if Mintra just puts one thing, right, like or Nykaa puts something in their app, like you can take a photo and put a body scan, and we will recommend you, because they have a larger database. They have huge amount of collections, right?
Yes.
Where they have a lot of sellers listing on their platform, and they can just put this one update, and then you will completely be out of business in that case if you do that.
Yes. Yes.
So you have to, yeah, so you have to factor in how you are going to be unique and competitive compared to these people. So what are you offering in terms of design, or in terms of choices, in terms of the variety, in terms of being unique? Like what are you offering? You should be very clear. And your price point, are you targeting only premium? Because as far as affordability is concerned, it won't work out for your platform. It won't be very affordable compared to the others. Like say, if you go to Mintra or if you go to Amazon, you'll get like 100, 200 rupees itself, you'll get dresses, right?
Yeah.
But for your platform, the customer is costlier comparatively. So are you targeting only premium customers, or are you targeting only teenagers? Are you targeting working women? So this itself is a whole range. You should have your own niche, so that tomorrow you will be very strong in that. So some of the brands focus only on the maternity wear and all. Some
Yes.
focus only on the jeans. Some focus only on t-shirts. Some of them focus only on leggings, like Go Colors and all. That's how they became a brand, right?
Yeah.
So you have to first make sure about the customer journey, what you're going to offer them. Then make sure, are you going to be affordable or are you going to be premium segment? Then you have to understand who is your age target, like priority.
I
Is
was
it
thinking like the late millennials and the Gen Zs would be like a perfect fit, because they are the ones looking for most all these fashion related products, and they'll be ready to spend money on this.
So I would say that not necessarily, because again you have to look, again it's not only about the Gen Z or the group, like also the age you have to look into. So like say, see, I am from the 90s kid side, but I also prefer this kind of a fashion recommendation, or I look into styles and then only choose, because when I'm going to work, this is important, right? So you have to cater to the people who really want these kind of recommendations. So for me, instead of me choosing it, if you give me 10 choices, then it's very easy for me to alternate and buy that clothing. You can even launch like a work, Monday to Friday sort of package, where they can not reverse, but they can wear the same top and different pant and something for the whole week. You can
Yeah,
have
got it.
something. I'm just saying examples, right? So for college, people don't like to repeat it, so you can make it in a different way. Like I'm giving you 1 week worth of clothing set, like 3 tops and 3 pants, but you can wear it the whole week, sort of thing. That will come into affordability also. So in that case, people will buy for the whole set for 1 week.
Your voice is not audible. No.
Sometimes it
Yeah,
happens.
now it's
Yeah,
better.
okay. So in that case, then you can also target affordable, office goers, and then you can also keep one very premium one where it's completely customized and designed only for that person. Like it can be for a show, or it
And
can be
also
like
like
a very
summer
special
wear,
occasion.
winter wear, based on that also like
Anything season wise or anything, you have to know what your brand is going to be about, who are you targeting as a brand, right? So
Yeah.
that is very, so there's a company called Mom and Co, I think you might have heard. So they only focus on skincare for the pregnant moms. That is their full target. That's the only target they have. So if you see their colors, their design, everything will be for that audience only. That feel and look will be very similar to the baby category, because it's for the mom and the baby sort of thing. So the way that your brand is going to be and who's your target audience is going to be very important, because there are so many choices for you to work on. It's not only AI customization, for the clothing, but there are so many divisions which you should figure out. And that's where the market research will definitely help you. We cannot say that only Gen Z, or don't restrict yourself just because they will be very fashion oriented. Even you can be someone who's catering to completely fashionless person who have no sense of fashion. You can help them, na, that will be good also. If
Yes,
you can have your software installed in every mall, where someone goes stands in front of it, they'll get recommendations on the side. You have
yeah,
to think so big. When you want to become a brand in clothing, your thought should be very very big, otherwise you can't make it, because it's heavily competitive. Very 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 competitive market,
got it,
textile,
mom.
right? So you have to think on all these aspects. So what I would suggest is, you are very very passionate, you have already worked on this, so just little more to go. Once you fine tune your particular idea which you have, then I think the product is going to be very very good once you fine tune it. So more than putting effort on building the product, you should put effort on what product you're going to build and for who you're going to build,
Okay,
right?
mom.
That is going to be the most important thing. Even in tailoring now, like how there are so many people stitching blouses and so much of competition, right? But the design of the blouse, like how well they stitch it, how well it fits the body, people stand out there. Or what design they do, people stand out there. So that's what it is, the demand is there for these kind of clothing.
Yes, mom.
Especially for the saris and blouses, it's huge. You won't even imagine the level of it is actually employing so many women in the
Yeah,
households, right? Like, see, are you going to be that brand that I'm going to have more women? So
yeah,
you
mom.
have so much of options. That's what I'm saying. Especially as a woman, like you can focus on that also. Like that, so many options are there. One brand is focusing only on healthy clothing, like that is good for your body, right? They make only very soft kurta clothes, or from 100% cotton. So are you going to be that brand? So much is there. right?
Yes.
As far as options are concerned. So what is your brand story? You can go study some brands, right? And what is your passion? Who is your target audience? And what is that you want to offer the customer? Like if they come who is completely not having fashion sense, I want to give them good recommendations. So that is what I'm providing as a value. Or if some working woman is coming, she's very tired, she doesn't have the time to go match her outfit and all, I want to give her the full set, complete set. So that's
Yes.
what nowadays many sites do, no? With the jewelry, with the thing, you get the whole
Yeah, the
set.
whole outfit.
You can buy the whole thing. You don't have to think and all and put so much of time in. Nobody has that time to do all of that, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
So someone has to come to your site, take photo, and do itself is a big task actually for them. So
But
are they
it's a
going to?
one-time thing to do. So
Yes, that is true. I agree. But still, the way the time. See, why are we ordering in Swiggy or Zomato, right? It's hardly like literally. I can walk to the restaurant next to me, but I still order in Swiggy because like I order and I leave it. The time is so valuable. Not only that we have been wasting, but it's also about time. So, are they going like, they have the time also. But if they go to a mall, then they will try out the paper.
It's not
They
audible.
can do that. So there is actually one company who is doing this advanced AI for textile. I forgot the company. I think it's in Bangalore only. Forgot. So they are doing like this product, like a mirror where you can stand in front of it. It will give you all the recommendation sort of thing, customized, clothing and all
yes,
of that. So
ma'am.
you just have to select, and then you get your own clothing, sort of thing. So there are companies you should look into that. If AI is your interest, look into that. If your brand and clothing is your interest, then you don't need AI. You just have to build a good clothing brand. Forget AI itself, then you can incorporate later. You just focus on that. It's not necessary everything needs to be about AI. I'm just saying, what is your real passion? Do you want to help women? You want to help generally people who are very fashionless, they don't have fashion sense. What is that you want to do? What makes you happy? You figure that out, come up with the list, and then we will do the market research based on that. Then we have to develop the product. This is how we have to go.
Okay, ma'am. Got it.
You
I'll.
have some idea? Yeah.
Like I
Yes,
have
ma'am.
one doubt. Like since they're
Yeah.
mainly focusing on customized designs, do they have any like fashion designers, or how do you bring all so many designs? Like how do you get
The
it? The data.
design. So yeah, AI is for the designs actually. Like AI is the one that will come up with unique designs for it. Like for a particular person, the design will be unique to their own preferences and to their own taste. It won't be like it's available in every H&M, Zara market. It'll be one of a kind for just for you.
So you need to train your AI based on that, like unique designs.
Yeah, so that's why we'll get user preferences also and current fashion trends. Accordingly, we'll collect the data. The data processing will happen, and accordingly, the designs will be
Okay.
provided.
So ideally, Neha, the thing is you have to understand, like you have to choose if you want to put AI as your core thing, or you want to just use AI as a tool, but you want to build a bigger brand. It will exist with or without AI. So you have to choose that. If you're going to revolve everything around AI, then like Lakshmi said, you have to fully focus on building that AI in a very, very strong way. You have to make it, put so much of data, make it very strong, and then later you
Since
can
it is
sell it or
customized,
license
they
it.
have to put extra,
Yeah,
but it should be
a
very.
lot of effort. If you want to do that, you want to make AI as a with or without option, but your focus is the brand and your focus is the clothing, then that's a different story, right? So you have to make sure of your preferences, what makes you happy. At the end of the day, it's not only about money, because running a business, that's why I'm talking to you in a different philosophy. If it's someone else, I'll talk in a different philosophy. But for running a business, the days are going to be very, very, very tough. There are things that you have to do which you don't want to do also, but you have to do because it's for your ultimate vision. You have to do it. You have to go through the extreme amount of lows, It's not at all easy. Like now everybody says it's very fancy entrepreneurship all, but it's not at all easy
Like
from
again,
our
if they're
experience.
focusing on brand, they need to have so many designers with them. And yeah, that is one.
Exactly. That too, branding. When you talk about business, that's one thing, but branding, that too in textiles, is the most challenging thing. So if you want to take up that challenge, you have to really love it so much. You have to be very, very, very passionate about it. You have literally breathe it every single day, and you should really love what you're doing. You should be very happy about it. Otherwise, you cannot survive, because there is always people to put you down. Always. And 99.99 people just want you to fail. This is what happens all the time. So you are your only motivation, and you are the person who's going to be there for you. So you need to be super, super strong. That's why I'm talking to you, that if you know what makes you happy, like I want to help a lot of women, and that's what I want to start this as a business. So like that means many people do, what do you call this, groups. They call some group, the women society groups or something, like they stitch there and they give them jobs there. So like that, so much of value is there. If that's what you want to do. No, I want to do AI means, it's not at all like it's wrong or something. Definitely do
The
take
AI is
the
only
best.
gonna, yes ma'am, the AI is only gonna like suggest the design. So to build the design, we need a set of people as well.
Right.
Like we can incorporate these women's in places and put them to work.
Exactly. So that is what I'm talking about. So you need to be very clear about what makes you happy. What is it you want to do? So then it's going to be very, very straightforward for you from there.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
So you take your time. As I told you, make it very sure about your customer journey. If it's going to be an AI textile company, or is it going to be your own textile brand, and then it just uses AI as an additional tool. So they have to figure that out. Then you have to figure out your exact age group, exact target audience, what you're going to sell them, and how. Is it your own designs, or is it that you are going to just take the other designs and just show them suggestions, and be another like marketplace where they can just come, but they'll get customized designs they can order. So many things you have to be very clear. Then we will come up with the final model, and then we will get a final approach for it as a business model. Then we will do the market research and minimum product. From there only you have to go forward. Minimum viable product you build, then you go forward. This is the whole path. So you think about it and come back to us with the clarity on these things. Then only we can devise the next steps. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
You have any other questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much, Neha.